So the front of this screen is literally just a screen. There's a very slim bezel that goes all the way along the edge, and you've got a couple of coils up here and here, and I assume they are for the built-in microphone. Then if we just turn it around, you have a single connector, that is this one here, and that's to connect it to the main doubled-in unit. Which brings us to the main doubled-in unit. Let's have a look at this. So on the front here, we have a ribbon cable. You have a reset button just down here. You have a micro SD card slot, it looks like, just down here, and obviously the mounting holes for the screen. On the top, we have a wiring diagram, but all the magic happens on the back. This wire here is for the 4G data SIM card if you want to install one. Then we have a USB port which is hardwired in. We have this wire here, and as you can see it says CAN out and the other side says key. And the point of this is it allows you to choose between standard CAN bus, which is like for steering wheel control, and advanced CAN bus, which is where it can be compatible with climate control and detecting whether your doors are open, and reverse sensors and all the other items that are on your car's digital network, if your car's compatible with that. So you can choose that by swapping the wire from key to CAN in here. Also over here we have camera power, we have the center RCA channel and a front camera input as well. Then over here we have the GPS antenna input, we have two 4G mobile data antenna inputs, we have the FM radio antenna, we have the external mic input, we have two USB ports, and then we have an array of RCAs. The first three are the video and audio auxiliary input. So we have the subwoofer, front left, front right, rear left, rear right. And the last one here is a SPDIF coax digital output. And over here we also have an optical SPDIF digital output as well. So what we're talking about here is both coax and optical digital SPDIF outputs. Digital outputs, that's something you only get on very, very expensive premium head units. It gives you that perfect digital signal to an amplifier which won't have any noise. It's kind of a lossless signal. So we have some manuals, then we got the external microphone, two 4G antennas, the GPS antenna, two USB extensions, and a ISO main loom.